You're not hungry. You haven't been thinking about food. And then a smell hits you. Fresh bread from a bakery, coffee from the next room, someone's lunch heating up nearby, and within seconds, you're starving. You didn't decide to be hungry. Your brain decided for you. And the mechanism behind that decision is one of the most fascinating and deliberately exploited systems in the human body. When you smell food, any food that your brain associates with eating, something immediate happens in your body. Your stomach releases a hormone called ghrelin. Ghrelin is your hunger hormone. It's the chemical signal your body uses to tell your brain that it's time to eat. And for most of human history, ghrelin was triggered by an empty stomach, by the physical absence of food. But here's where it gets interesting. Research shows that ghrelin also binds directly to molecules in the brain's olfactory bulb, the smell center, suggesting the hormone is directly involved in odor processing. In other words, smell and hunger aren't just loosely connected. They share the same biological machinery. When researchers injected subjects with ghrelin and exposed them to food odors, activity in brain regions involved in reward response was significantly higher, but only when responding to food smells, not non-food smells. Ghrelin doesn't just make you hungry, it makes your nose sharper. It makes food smells more intense, more pleasurable, more impossible to ignore. The hungrier you are, the better food smells. And the better food smells, the hungrier you become. It's a loop. And it was designed that way. You've probably heard of Pavlov's dogs, the Russian scientist who rang a bell every time he fed his dogs, until eventually the bell alone was enough to make them salivate. No food needed. What most people don't know is that Pavlov wasn't just studying dogs. He was describing a mechanism that exists in every mammal on Earth, including you. Food odors increase appetite, induce salivation, and promote food-seeking behaviors throughout the animal kingdom. Every time you've smelled fresh bread and felt your mouth water, that's Pavlov's mechanism at work. Your brain learned, through years of experience, that the smell of bread predicts food, calories, energy, survival. So now it prepares your body before you've taken a single bite. Saliva starts flowing, digestive enzymes activate, your stomach contracts. Exposure to food odors increases appetite and induces salivation. Not because you're weak-willed, but because your body is doing exactly what it was built to do. The smell of food is not temptation, it's your biology running a program that kept your ancestors alive. Now here's the part that should make you think twice the next time you walk past a bakery. The food and retail industries know exactly how this system works, and they've been engineering it for decades. Starbucks has been pioneering sensory marketing since the 80s. Strong coffee aromas deliberately waft outside stores, drawing customers inside. Supermarkets place their bakery sections at the entrance. Not because it's convenient, but because the smell of fresh bread triggers hunger before you picked up a single item. A hungry shopper buys more. Studies consistently show that. Cinemas pump the smell of popcorn through their ventilation systems. Fast food restaurants are designed so the smell hits you from the street. Food odor exposure has been shown to enhance appetite for food products with similar properties, suggesting that based on previous encounters with foods, we have learned to detect the nutritional content of foods through our sense of smell. This is called sensory-specific appetite. Smell something savory, and you specifically crave savory food. Smell something sweet, and it's sugar your body suddenly needs. The smell doesn't just make you hungry, it tells your body exactly what kind of hungry to be. Retailers know which smells trigger which cravings, and they place them accordingly. Now here's the part that nobody expects. Research from USF Health found something counterintuitive. Prolonged exposure to a particular food odor can actually suppress appetite rather than increase it. If you walk past a bakery, you get hungrier. But if you sit inside a bakery for an hour, you stop wanting bread. When the food smell is so strong and sustained, the olfactory system may tell the brain, "We are satisfied," activating the same neural signals that indicate fullness. Your nose can trick your brain into feeling full without a single calorie entering your body. Researchers are already exploring this as a potential approach to appetite regulation. The same mechanism that makes you hungry could, with the right application, be used to make you eat less. The nose, it turns out, is not just a passive receiver of smells. It's an active participant in every eating decision you make. The next time a smell stops you in your tracks, the next time your stomach responds before your mind has even registered what you're smelling, remember that what's happening isn't weakness. It's one of the oldest survival systems in the human body, running exactly as designed. Ghrelin surging, the olfactory bulb sharpening, saliva forming, the brain preparing for calories that haven't arrived yet. A system so precise, so automatic, so ancient, that billion-dollar industries have built their entire customer experience around it. You were never just smelling the coffee. You were being guided. Scent controls more of your behavior than you realize. If you want to understand the invisible forces shaping what you feel, what you crave, and how you move through the world, subscribe to Invisible Sense. A new story every week.